Automated vehicle scrapping and recycling business. The business of automated vehicle scrapping and recycling is a growing sector that focuses on dismantling end-of-life vehicles, ELVs, and recovering valuable raw materials such as metals, plastics, or glass for reuse. While reducing environmental waste, it promotes sustainability in manufacturing by providing raw materials to manufacture new vehicles. The industry is driven by growing environmental regulations, the demand for recycled materials, and the technological advancements of recycling, including robotics and artificial intelligence for efficient processing. Although challenges arise, including excessive scrap prices and regulatory frameworks, growth is anticipated as the world is focused on sustainability and circular economies. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.